Hello, teacher and classmates. Today, my group are going to present the types of document require an import and export. We're going to start. Well, like we know, in international trade, documentation ensures that the goods move safely, efficiently, and legally across borders. Each document has a specific function, from the order to the final delivery, helping campaigns to communicate, avoid misunderstandings, and follow regulations. For instance, a purchase order confirms the buyer request and invoice states that transactions value and transport documents ensure delivery. The presentation will analyze real examples of these documents and explaining the purpose, use, and importance for successful global trade. Well, the logistic change is divided into several key stages, like we can to see to the presentations. Start with the purchase order when the buyer formally requests the products that he wants. Then comes the conventional transactions, where both parts of the transaction I agree on prices, terms, and conditions. After that, we have the export process, which includes the preparing the product, obtain export permits, and creating documents such as the conventional invoice or like the packaging list. Once everything is ready, we move to the transportation, where the products are shipped by sea, air, or land under transport documents like the bill of lading or like airway bill. Finally, the products go through an import and delivery, where customs clearances take place, duties are paid, and the products are delivered to the buyer. Well, we're going to see all the documents that it's needed to do all these processes. Thank you.
Hi, teacher. A pusher order is document issued by the buyer to the seller to formally request goods or service. In international trade, it plays a key role because it initiates the commercial transaction and clearly states all the agreed terms. For example, product descriptions, quantities, price, delivery dates, shipping conditions, and payment methods. It also serves as a legal and administrative records, confirming the buyer commitment and allowing the seller to prepare production or shipment. Additionally, it helps both parties control and verify that what was ordered matched what are delivered. In summary, the purchase order is the first formal step that starts to export or import process. A perform invoice is a document issued by the seller before the sale is finalized. Its main purpose is to present a detailed offer to the buyer, including price, product specification, payment condition, types of transport, and delivery time. In international trade, the perform invoice is essential because it allows the buyer to review the proposal, request international approvals, apply, apply for import license, or even arrange bank financing, although it has no accounting or fiscal value. It acts as formal quotation that guides the future commercial invoice. In other words, the perform invoice facilitates negotiation and prepares the foundation for the final size contract. Thank you.
Yeah, commercial invoice. The commercial invoice is a legal and accounting document used by the exporter to the importer. It serves as the official proof of the sale transaction for international trade. Key function: custom and fiscal compliance. This is the primary document custom authorities use to calculate tariff, duties, and taxes. An inaccurate invoice can lead to shipment detentions, fines, and severe delays in the supply chain. Formally, the sale. It establishes the terms of the sale, Incoterm, price, currency, payment term, which are crucial for defining financial and logistic responsibilities between the buyer and seller. Payment processing. It is required for releasing funds and processing payments, especially when using letter of credit, directly affecting the exporter's cash flow. Financial record provides the basis for financial recording and is used by logistic actors, carriers or brokers to verify commodity details and assigned values. Packing list. The packing list is a logistic and inventory document that details the exact contents of each individual package within a shipment, without focusing on the transactional value. K function, logistics and transportation. Facilitates the identification, handling, loading, and unloading of goods. Logistics operators use it to optimize space, consolidate shipments, and determine proper handling needs. Custom inspection verifications allows custom authorities to quickly inspect and identify the contents of package without opening every single box. This speeds up customs clearance. Good reception and warehousing. It is essential for the consignor and the destination to verify the contents against the order and helps streamline inventory management upon arrival. Insurance and claims. It serves as proof of the quantify and description of the shipment's contents. In case of loss, damage, or discrepancy, it is a key document for filing claims with carriers or insurance companies.
Bill of ladings, airway bill. A bill of lading and airway bill are transport documents that serve as the receipts for the cargo. Proof of the contracts between the export and the carriers, and in that case of the BL, as a document of title to claim the goods. The main difference is the bill of lading is used for maritime transport and is negotiable, while the airway bill is used for the transport and is not negotiable. Certificate of origins. A certificate of origin is a commercial document that certificates that countries where a product has been obtained, produced, or manufactured. It's a crucial for the custom procedures and completed with trade agreements. It is a purpose is to determine import duties and whether products qualify for the trade preference under free trade agreements.
Good morning, teacher. My name is John Auris. Today I will talk briefly about two important documents used in international trade, the Custom Declaration and the Delivery Note. Let's start with the Custom Declaration. This document is required when goods are import or export between countries. Is used by custom authorities to check what is being shipped and to calculate tax and duties. A custom declaration usually includes the type of goods, the quantity and value, the origin and destination, the purpose of the shipment, for example, for sale or for personal use. Now let's talk About the delivery note. This is a document that comes with the goods when they are delivered to buyer. It includes a list of the item being delivered, the quantity of each item, order number of reference. A delivery note does not include price. It is only to confirm what was delivered. Thank you, Miss.
Conclusion. In conclusion, we found that every document in the logistic chain has a key rule. From the purchase order to the delivery note, each one ensures accuracy, transparency, and coordination among all parties. By managing documents properly, we can avoid mistakes, delays, and legal problems. Therefore, we believe that understanding and applying these documents currently is essential for efficient and successful international trade. Recommendations. Our recommendations are simple but important. First, we recommend verifying all information carefully before submitting any documents. Second, we suggest using digital tools to make the process faster and safer. Third, we believe that training all staff involved in logistics is essential. And finally, we emphasize maintaining clear communication with every partner to ensure a smooth and efficient operation. Thank you.